Hello, through this video, I'm going to give you 20 most useful Indonesian phrases that you should learn. And you can use these phrases to talk to Indonesian native speaker. So, let's get started. Number 1. Selamat. Selamat in bahasa Indonesia means congratulations and safe. And you also can say selamat for wishes. For example, selamat ulang tahun, happy birthday. Selamat Natal, Merry Christmas. Selamat makan, enjoy your meal. Selamat tidur, good night. We can say selamat tidur before going to bed, before we sleep. Number 2. Berapa. Berapa is used to ask any kind of questions which relates to number, such as quantity, age, price, time, duration, and etc. So, you can use berapa to say berapa lama, means how long. Berapa banyak, means how many. Berapa harganya, means how much is this price. Berapa semuanya, means how much for everything. Number 3. Di mana. Di mana means in where. We use di mana to ask any question about location. So, we can say, di mana kamu? Di mana kamu means where are you? Di mana hotel? Di mana hotel? Where is the hotel? Di mana toilet means where is the toilet? Number 4. Kapan means when. And we can say kapan for asking a question about time. For example, kapan berangkat? Kapan berangkat means when is the departure. And it also means when will we go. Kapan sampai? Kapan sampai means when is the arrival. Or it also means when we'll arrive. Kapan datang? Kapan datang means when did you come? Kapan pulang? Kapan pulang means when will you return or when will you go back home? Number 5. Siapa. Siapa means who. So we can say, siapa dia? Siapa dia? Who is she or he? And we can answer, dia teman saya. Dia teman saya means she or he is my friend. Siapa nama kamu? Siapa nama kamu means what is your name? And we can answer, nama saya Maria. Nama saya Maria means my name is Maria. Number 6. Maaf. Maaf means sorry and apologize. So if you want to say I'm sorry, then you can say saya minta maaf. Saya minta maaf means I'm sorry. And you also can use sorry for maaf, bisa diulangi. Maaf, bisa diulangi means pardon, can you repeat? Number 7. Permisi. Permisi means excuse me. And we say permisi if we want to disturb someone. For example, permisi, saya mau tanya. Permisi, saya mau tanya means, excuse me, I want to ask you something. Another one, permisi, saya mau lewat. Permisi, saya mau lewat means, excuse me, I want to pass. Or, excuse me, let me pass. Number 8. Saya mengerti. Saya mengerti means I understand. If we want to say I don't understand, then we can say saya tidak mengerti. Saya tidak mengerti. Number 9. Saya tahu. Saya tahu means I know. If we want to say I don't know, then we can say saya tidak tahu. Saya tidak tahu means I don't know. Number 10. Saya mau. Saya mau means I want. Saya mau kopi means I want a coffee. If we want to say I don't want, then we can say saya tidak mau. Saya tidak mau. Saya tidak mau kopi. Saya tidak mau kopi means I don't want a coffee. Number 11. Saya suka. Saya suka means I like. Saya suka kamu means I like you. If we want to say I don't like, then we can say saya tidak suka. Saya tidak suka kamu means I don't like you. Number 12. Saya bisa. Saya bisa means I can. Saya bisa bicara bahasa Indonesia. Saya bisa bicara bahasa Indonesia means I can speak Indonesian. If we want to say I cannot, then we can say saya tidak bisa. Saya tidak bisa. Saya tidak bisa bicara bahasa Indonesia. Saya tidak bisa bicara bahasa Indonesia means I cannot speak Indonesian. Number 13. Saya punya. Saya punya means I have. Saya punya mobil means I have a car. If we want to say I don't have, then we can say saya tidak punya. Saya tidak punya. Saya tidak punya mobil. It means I don't have a car. Number 14. Tidak apa-apa. Tidak apa-apa means it's okay, never mind. And we also can say tidak masalah. Tidak masalah. Tidak masalah means no problem. So if someone says to you, I'm so sorry, and then if you want to say, oh, it's okay, never mind, then you can say tidak apa-apa or tidak masalah. Number 15. Tolong. Tolong means help and please. You can say tolong if you want to ask a favor. Tolong saya means help me. Tolong antar saya ke hotel. tolong antar saya ke hotel means please drop me to the hotel. Tolong jemput saya. Tolong jemput saya means please pick me up. Number 16. Silahkan. Silahkan means please. We say silahkan to give someone permission to do something. For example, silahkan duduk. Silahkan duduk means please have a seat. Another one, silahkan masuk means please come in. Number 17. Aiyyo. Aiyyo means let's. So we can use aiyyo to say let's go. Ayo pergi. Ayo pergi. Let's eat. Ayo makan. Ayo makan. Number 18. Boleh. Boleh means allow and may. We can use boleh to say boleh saya duduk, may I sit? And another one we can say boleh saya masuk? Boleh saya masuk means may I come in? Number 19. Sudah. Sudah means already. And yes, Indonesian people say sudah a lot. For example, sudah makan? Sudah makan means have you eaten? And we can answer, ya sudah. Yes, I had. Or we also can say belum. Belum means not yet. Or I haven't. Sudah menikah? Sudah menikah means are you already married? And we can answer, ya sudah. It means yes, I'm married already. Or we can say belum. It means not yet. Number 20. Sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa means see you. And there is another way as well to say see you in bahasa Indonesia, such as sampai ketemu lagi. Sampai ketemu lagi means we'll meet you again. Last but not least, I will give you a bonus is terima kasih. Maybe you already know what terima kasih is. Yes, terima kasih means thank you. But we also have another way to say terima kasih. We can say makasih. Makasih. Makasih is the short form of terima kasih, and it means thanks. To reply terima kasih, we can say sama-sama. It means it's same to you too. And also, we also can say kembali. Kembali means return. So it is same like when you say, I return the time back to you too. So, terima kasih for watching my video. You also can write your comment below for what kind of video I should make for you to learn bahasa Indonesia. And if you think this video is very useful and help you learn bahasa Indonesia, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And sampai jumpa!